Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Nissan Murano. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Ensure both your Murano and the donor vehicle are completely turned off and their parking brakes are engaged before proceeding. Park the donor vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but make sure the vehicles are not touching each other. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Murano's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This establishes the positive and negative connections for the donor car. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music or get information hands-free. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For the final connection, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Nissan Murano, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground. Once all connections are secure, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. After this, attempt to start your Nissan Murano. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.